Hello and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey to strong, healthy nails. So I'm jumping right in today. I've already added 2 coats of polish to each finger with hopes of achieving this shades of purple style. I've seen people doing like this monochrome look with their nails and I absolutely love it. And I happen to have several polishes that can be considered part of the purple family, plus a white shade as well. So I figured, why not give it a try? But I still feel like it needs more. So I looked all over and I decided to do the good old classic French, but with a twist. Instead of a white tip, I'll just use a contrasting shade of purple for each finger. Now, what I've also seen is people using their finger to help them create a clean French tip style. So I figured I'd test this out as well. I have yet to get myself one of those actual stamper thingies that could really help me with this style. But this is way easier than having to prepare a bunch of tape like I did before. So really from this point, I'm just trying to coordinate what color should be the French tip of which nail. Some of these combos are really cute. I might consider trying one of these combos on all of my nails at some point in the future. And hopefully by then I'll have level 3 or level 4 gear and have that rubber stamp tool at my disposal. That's got to be even easier than this. And here it is. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna finish this hand with the top coat now and solidify the style before I try to change my mind. I'm so glad I stuck with this one. I think I want to try a monochrome matte look at some point, but probably with green because that's my favorite color. Now, for my next hand, time to do the exact same thing. As I'm completing the next hand, I just want to show you how I truly do try to push myself to do more challenging styles. But sometimes it doesn't work out, and I give up as quickly as I start. So I saw this video on how to create this style. And before I settled on the French tip, I had decided, oh yeah, this is it. I'm doing it. And here's my attempt. I was gonna do the same contrasting color idea and have a cute look for each nail. Then I tried it. Instant disappointment. I'm gonna have to visit that far in the future after I've regained some confidence, because that was sad. So yes, a few of my nails are still struggling and their growth is really lacking. The same ones as before, my pointer finger on the left hand and my middle finger and thumbnail on my right hand. But that's not gonna stop me from doing this look. With time, I'm sure they too will look stunning. And here is the final results. Both hands are complete. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the vid. Come back next week to see what I'll be doing next. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next Wednesday.